Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the screen size of your LG Smart TV. So if you're trying to use your television and the picture isn't fitting the full width of the screen, or you're getting some sort of black borders around the edges, then this video will show you exactly how to fix that. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the settings menu, and we can do this either one of two ways. The first thing we need to do is grab our television remote, and we're just going to press this home button over here. This is what it looks like on my TV remote, and this is going to bring up the LG home screen. Now you need to use the arrow keys on your remote control to come over to this top navigation, and then we're just going to press the settings icon at the top here. You can also get to the settings menu directly just by coming over to your remote control and pressing the settings icon right here on your remote. Now once you're on the settings menu, we just need to scroll all the way down to all settings and press OK. And then right here in the picture tab, you'll see this option for aspect ratio. So I'm just going to use the right arrow key to come over to this picture tab, and then I'm going to come down and select aspect ratio. Inside of here, we need to select user selection and press OK. And now, as you can see, we have a bunch of different zoom options and aspect ratios that we can choose from. This all really comes down to personal preference on what you're currently seeing on your television. So you'll just have to go through each of these options to find the aspect ratio that fits best for you. Then we can just exit out of this settings menu, and that's now changed the aspect ratio of our television. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.